Okay, guys, so for this video we will be talking about the right prisms and cylinders so of course, in terms of the shapes, you have your rectangular prism, you have your spherical prism. I'm joking, that is a cube. Yeah, so you have your rectangular prism. This is a cube where all sides are equal, literally all sides are equal. And then you have your triangular prism, right? And you have your cylinder here. um we call these we call this, okay, for 1, 2 and 3, we call them right prisms because the base, it has a right angle. Now, so you'd find out even here that this would be your 90 degrees angle, and of course the bases of these have 90 degrees, right? So with that being said, we will talk about this total surface area. Total surface area, of course, you hear that it's the area, né? Yeah, so we are finding the area of prisms. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. So we will start. One of the best ways to, because I want to say this, né? It may be hard, or it may be just a lot of work to derive, not to memorize the formula of the total surface area, né? And maybe. So what can help you know the formula is the net. You have your shape, this is your shape, and you draw a net, right? A net is something like this. You see picture number 3, this picture right here, you draw something like this, né? And then from drawing something like this, you know that you have, for example, you have length, or should I say height or breadth? This is length, maybe height, maybe breadth, and of course you already know there's gonna be breadth, length, length, length. This is gonna be height, height, height. No, that is not it. That is not it. The labeling is, yeah, the labeling is not accurate. So of course, so this is my base then. This becomes the height, right? So this is the height, né? And then say this is the breadth. No. I would say that's the length. So you have the length, right? We have, and that's gonna be height. Yeah, yeah. Uh, this will be breadth. That will be length. Yeah, né? So in terms of now finding the total surface area, is the area of each shape. The area of each shape. For the first one, say, let me name them. Né? Let me. That was not necessary. Let me name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna have the area of 6. I'm gonna say area is going to be number 1, length multiplied by breadth, plus number 2. This is number 2. Number 2, I have length times height. Number 3 is gonna be length times what? That is breadth, right? That's 1, 2, 3. Number 4 is gonna be length times height. Number 5 is going to be height times breadth. Number 6 will be, where's number 6? There's number 6. Number 6 will also be height times breadth. Then you realize, so let me use, look at this, look at that, look at this, look at that, look at this, look at that. So you're already seeing that, therefore total surface area is 2 LB plus 2 LH plus 2 HB, right? Which you can also simplify to say that is 2 into LB plus LH plus HB. There is your area, the total surface area for a rectangular prism. You can memorize it. If you forget it, use the net to get it. Let's move on. And we have the cube here, right? So I mean, with the cube, I just want to say it's going to be what for the cube here, man. The total surface area is going to be literally 6s squared. The reason I'm saying that is every side is equal here and you have 6 of them, so it's the area of 6 squares, né? With size s. So this one is just straightforward. It's just gonna be 6s squared. I mean, you can prove it. It's s, it's s, 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 s. Damn. So you have a lot of, the s is for side, né? The s is for side. So you have this one. Number 1, you have side times side. Number 2, you have side times side. Number 3, you have side times side. Number 4, side times side, side times side, side times side. So it's gonna be 6 as squared. Sure thing. Then you have your triangular prism, né? So for the triangular prism, how do we do it? The net is going to help us. So for here, TSA, total surface area, look at this, né? You have 2 identical triangles. You have your half base times perpendicular height, right? So is the 2 identical, and then you have 3 rectangles, né? Plus, the question is, you see, this is the height, this is the height, this is the height, né? So then let's just say 3 times, should I say length and height? Length times height. Yeah, because these are identical, right? 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, they are identical. But in a case where they are not identical, then you would do them individually to say this was the area of this times the plus the area of this plus the area of that, né? And of course here, right, this 2 times the half, you're gonna end up with just this being the area, the total surface area. For cylinder, it's also quite in TSA, Team South Africa. So total surface area, you have 2 circles. Area of a circle is pi radius squared. That means you have 2 pi radius squared because there are 2 of them, right? And then plus, so this side, ne, this side is given by, this is what makes the circumference of the circle. So you have 2 pi radius, which is the circumference, né? It's the side, and then multiply by what? Multiply by height. You see, so this is the height, so this is the height, and this is the circumference, which is 2 pi radius, and Bro, just like that, man, you're cruising nicely. Yeah, you're cruising nicely, eh? Let's work on a few examples. Yeah. So you have this one. You already know that the total surface area is 2 LB plus LH plus HB. That is a 2. I'll just say 7 times 6 plus 7 times 10 plus 10 times 6. See? So 2 into 7 times 6 plus 7 times 10, 70, plus 10 times 60. Close the bracket. 10 and 60, 7, 70, 10. Okay, so then the total surface area becomes 344 centimeters squared. Right, let's come here. You have your height, ne, and the breadth. So total surface area here, remember we have two triangles, ne? Half base times perpendicular height. And the nicest thing here is that this is the right angle triangle, so yeah, the perpendicular height is even given to us. So remember there are two triangles, so it's 2 times half base times perpendicular height. So the 2.5 cancel out, we did mention it, so we have half base times perpendicular height, right, plus there's 3 now. We were like, it's gonna be length times height, right? I think so. So that means you're gonna have the base of a triangle. So we can say 7 multiplied by square root of 32, then plus 3 into 9 times 11. This 9 times the 11, because you have this side, you have the other side on that side, and you have another one on the side. Oh no, guys, wait a minute. So remember, in this case, I always say the net, they help us, ne? So from here to here it's 9, and therefore from here to here it's 9. So cool. So yeah, I'm gonna have to erase this part. I'm gonna have to erase that part, and because look at it, ne? We have the 9. It's better if I write it without the formula. So here I have 7 times square root of 32. This is the area of both of my triangles, ne? And then I'm gonna say plus, there's gonna be 9 multiplied by 11. This is the base. And then I'm gonna say plus, now this side, ne, it's 11 and square root of 32. So 11 times square root of 32. Then I'm coming on the other side where we have 11 and 7, plus 11 times 7, or 7 times 11. Woo! Yeah, we almost slipped, almost blended. I want to go back and say, alright, cool. So you see, man, this side, I think I wanted to say it, but I was like, no, man. You see the total surface area, the formula we gave here, especially focusing on this side for the rectangles, ne? This is an only if case, ne? If your rectangles are identical in terms of like the height. So it's like, you see, if the triangle is equilateral triangle, then we're good. This is the formula you will use, right? Yes, I think so. Yeah, because let me see, you have that, and then this would be the same as this, of course. But yeah, it don't matter. But yeah, so when you do the net here, you'll see that you have the base, which is 11 times 9, right, the area, and then you have that other side. Don't know, there's a 3D, so it's hard to point it, but that other side you have 11 and the square root of 32. You find the area, and that other side you have 7 and 11. So yeah, that means you have 7 times square root of 32 plus 9 times 11 plus 7 times 11 plus 11 times square root of 32. Then we are coming up with 277.8382 centimeters squared. I want to say, do you see there's like 11 11 11, né? So this 11, it appears here, so it appears on the base, and this side and that side as well. So which it's sort of giving me ideas that the area it will be for triangles, it will be perpendicular height and the breadth and the base and the perpendicular height plus in this case I'll say the height of the rectangles into I don't know, like breadth, length, whatever, but okay, it doesn't matter, man. Once you have the net, it becomes way easier to get your shapes in order and find your calculations. Yeah, man. So for this one, I'll say like it's better if you have the net and you calculate them shape by shape. Cylinder, of course, we have your height. So remember, it's the 2 TSA. It's going to be the 2 pi radius squared plus your height multiplied by circumference, which is 2 pi radius. So you have 2 pi 2 centimeters squared plus height, which is 5, times 2 pi 2 times pi times 2 squared plus 5 times 2 times pi times 2, and that is 28 pi or 87.696 centimeters squared. Yeah, so this is just the calculations. Yeah, it's the end for this video, guys. I'll see you on the next videos.